Hi, I'm Jake Rossman. I'm here for Digital Trends. We are here at the 2018 Drone Rodeo as part of CES. It's at the Aerodrome, which is out in the Nevada desert about 45 minutes from the Strip. And I'm here with Ben Kroll, the executive producer of the Drone Rodeo. Ben, why don't you give us a little rundown of what's happening this year at the Drone Rodeo and how long you guys have been around and what you're doing?
Yeah, absolutely. So this is our 4th year out here. We're super excited to be out here again. This year we've got a lot of stuff going on. We've got drone racing, we've got Multi-PT, which is an international organization that puts on drone races all over the place. And then we've got several different vendors that are out here showing off new technology. We've got a couple of folks that are proclaiming to have the fastest production racing drone in the world right now. So that's really exciting. We're doing drone racing here, and we've got some other vendors. And this is just great for us to get out here, get away from the Strip, out to an open area, away from some of the stricter regulations of the airspace within the Strip area.
So as you can see behind us, there is actually a drone racing course. Why don't you tell us a little bit about drone racing in general? Our consumers might not know a ton. What type of drones are in use out there and what races are happening?
Sure, absolutely. So right now I think we've probably got, they're either doing some trials right now, or there could be a 4 or 5 person race that's actually happening right now, and that's a first person view racer at the controls. It started really as a lot of custom designed drones, but now we've got actually one of the companies that's here, Fat Shark, has developed an entry-level production racing drone already, so people don't have to actually build the drone themselves anymore, and they can come out and put the goggles on and race around a course that's been set up and try and beat the times of others.
Very cool. So what are some of like the top trends in drones that you're seeing, not just out here at Drone Rodeo, but at CES as well?
Yeah, so there's one of the neat things that we have out here also is, there's a company out here called Ubify, which has actually developed, some of what we're seeing kind of trending is some of the more autonomous features of drones. And in fact, one of the things that's been difficult is to develop an indoor autonomous flying drone that can learn as it flies and learn its surroundings as it flies, and that's actually what we have going on out here. And that's one of the big things that we're really excited about. So some of the more autonomous type flying, indoor flying is really neat stuff that we're starting to see happening right now.
Thanks again, Ben, for joining us. Again, this is Jake Rossman for Digital Trends. We are out here at the Drone Rodeo 2018 as part of CES at the Aerodrome in the middle of the Nevada desert. We've got plenty of great coverage coming your way, so stay tuned.